back to my channel. I am back with another Causebox video. If you have been subscribed or a watcher on my channel for a little while, you will know how absolutely obsessed with Causebox I am. I am part of the Causebox editorial team, so I'm a tiny bit biased, but this was not sponsored. They did send me this just for the work that I do on the editorial team, writing articles for their online magazine, Good News, but I'm not being paid to make this video, so all opinions are 100% my own and 100% genuine. If you don't know what Causebox is, it is a quarterly subscription box that gets sent to you, and it's full of lifestyle products that make a difference in the world. So it's a lot of products that are ethically sourced, sustainable, fair trade, and a lot of the companies that are featured in the boxes are run by women, which I think is really cool. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video. I'm not just saying that because it's a thing that you're supposed to say in videos. It really absolutely means the world to me that people watch, because I am so passionate about YouTube and Causebox and making the world a better place. So thank you for being here. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button. It's over here if you're on desktop and over here if you're on mobile. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. So this quarter, which is the summer quarter, Causebox actually just released a new feature for their boxes, and it's like the customizable option. So now you can actually choose some of the products that are in your box. Like for this one, the water bottle and the clutch, which, okay, spoilers, but you're gonna find out in just a minute, were both customizable. So I got to actually choose what was in here, which I thought was so cool and something that I have been waiting for Causebox to do for a long time. So opening this bad boy up, there is so much stuff in here, like no joke. I think this might be the most items that have ever been in the Causebox. The first thing that I see is this beautiful baby pink stainless steel water bottle, and this is by the company Distill. What's really cool about Distill is they actually partner with water.org, which is an organization that provides like water infrastructure to communities that may not have safe drinking water, and they have supplied safe drinking water to 12 million people, and Distill is just a small part of that, but still really cool that they do that partnership. I think this water bottle is so cute. I also think it's adorable that instead of like packaging that I would just throw away, they actually included a hair tie. And I also really love the handle that this comes with, because it makes it really easy to carry, and sometimes like with my Camelback, the like hard plastic handle will like hurt my fingers. This is super cute. I cannot wait to put stickers on it. Also really cool that it reduces the need for single-use plastic water bottles. So win-win. So the next thing that I'm seeing in here are these sheet masks. They are from the brand Karuna, and these are the, it says Hollywood favorite, antioxidant face masks. Karuna is really cool because they don't use any harsh chemicals in your sheet masks like alcohols that will dry and age your skin over time. And it's also really cool because they partner with organizations like the Ronald McDonald Foundation to bring these sheet masks to people in hospital situations. These are sterile since they're packaged one by one, so they're the perfect thing to bring into hospitals, and they will actually go in there, like employees from this company will go in and pamper people who are in hospitals. And I just think that's a really cool way to help people who are going through a hard time with their health. And I love a good sheet mask, so I'm really excited to use these because not only are they gonna pamper me, they also pamper people in need, and I love that they give back. So these are the Soy and Nail Polishes, and I'm gonna open them up and show these to you. I did sneak a peek at these before I filmed this video, I will not lie to you, and I am obsessed with these colors. You've got this like corally red color, this beautiful nude color, and a white, which is like my polish of choice at the moment for summer. And it's very rare that I get a nail polish set that I like all the colors in, so I am just like holding this one close to my heart. Zoya is an all natural nail polish brand, which I think is really cool because they eliminate all of the chemicals in nail polishes that can actually cause things like birth defects and other kind of nasty health complications. So I am very excited to use these. So the next thing that's in here, and this might be the thing that I'm the most excited about in this whole bag, is this towel from Fair Seas Trading Co. Fair Seas Trade Co. Fair Seas Supply Co. And it's a Turkish towel, and it's got yellow on it. Clearly, I have a thing for yellow. It's just my absolute favorite color. So this is really cool because it's made of organic cotton, and if you know anything about cotton, it is like one of the most polluting industries in the world. And so organic cotton keeps pesticides from being released into the environment. So all of the organic cotton for this is sourced in Turkey, but then the materials are brought over to California. And that's because the founder of this company, Fair Seas Supply Co., wanted to be able to go into the factory on a regular basis and like really be a part of the team, make sure that the working conditions are good and that people are being paid a living wage. So not only is this organic, but it is also fair trade. Super cool. It's so pretty too. You could use this as a picnic blanket, you could use it as a towel, you could use it as a throw at the end of your bed if you've got like a beachy vibe going on. I love it. Can you believe it? There is still more stuff in here. So this right here is one of my favorite things from this box because it is so versatile and it is like the ultimate fair trade sustainable product, and it is this Kevia necklace. So it's gold and it's got these little white pom-poms on it. Kevia is really cool because they manufacture all their goods in China, but they source all of the metals, which are 100% recycled, from India, and all of their workshops are fair trade. So this lovely lady right here, whose name is Kevia, she started the brand, will actually go to every single factory in China that is helping to produce their products one by one to make sure that everybody is being paid a fair wage and that the working conditions are good. They also try to minimize their plastic packaging by packaging it in these little like cute resealable pouches that you can use for something else. And then when they actually switched over to these, they donated all of their old plastic to a packaging recycling plant, I think is what it's called. And if all of those things weren't enough to convince you that this is ethical and wonderful, they also donate a part of their proceeds to breast cancer research and help to plant trees as well. Something that's really cool about this as well is there are 6 different ways to wear it, which they show you in the little book that you get when you get your Causebox. Oh, this is so cute. I love that it's like funky and it's got the like tassel trend that's happening right now, but it's also like minimal, so it's not too like in your face. So if you saw my video for the, I want to say it was the spring Causebox this year, it might have been winter last year, but you'll be familiar with Tribalive. Tribalive actually contributed another exclusive product to the Causebox, and this was one of the items that you got to choose. Oh, so was the water bottle. You could do blue with clear plastic, or you could do the pink stainless steel. And I chose this one. It's a really pretty cream color with this black detailing on it, and it's got a little pink tassel, but there were also 2 other colors that you could choose from. All of Tribalive's products are sourced from a woman-run company in India, which I think is super cool because it's really changing the social dynamic in the town that it is being produced in. And again, fair trade, good working conditions. I think this is so cute. This actually also comes with a gold chain that you can hang it from to make it like a crossbody bag, but I think this is going to be really cute for like holding like skincare stuff when I travel. I'm all about the pom-pom tassel vibes. Okay, 2 more items. The first one is this print. It is by the Spanish artist Coco Deves, and she actually did the artwork for the lovely Causebox as well. Her work is so cool. I love that they support independent artists like this. I just think this is so colorful and fun. I think I might put this in my cubicle at work, like brighten it up a little bit, give me some summer vibes going on. And then the very last item is actually from L'Occitane, which is a huge brand that I was familiar with and loved before getting this Causebox, and it is their Almond Shower Oil. First of all, it smells absolutely incredible, and I love shower oils because they're so hydrating and they feel so luxurious. What's cool about this one from L'Occitane is they use sustainable and ethically produced almonds, and they actually use every single part of the almond, so as far as the almonds go, there's no waste. L'Occitane also donates a portion of their proceeds to organizations that help young women learn to read and write, and for micro business loans for women who want to start their own businesses in underprivileged areas. I am so impressed with this box, which I don't know why I'm surprised. Every single time I get a Causebox, I love it so much. I think there's something so cool about being able to get these high quality lifestyle products that you know are actually also making a huge difference in the world. And it's really affordable too. So it's like you're giving, but you're also getting. I'll link all of Causebox's information in the description down below, including a couple of my articles for the Causebox online magazine, Good News. But honestly, I'm only affiliated with them because I was a customer first and because I was buying their products with my own money because I loved them so much. And I recommend them to you guys because I just think they are the most incredible company. I love everything I've ever gotten from them, and I love that I'm helping to make a difference in the world as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below what your favorite subscription boxes are. I've got a lot of very fun content coming at you guys soon. I love the summertime. It is when I am able to make some of my best content, so please make sure that you stay tuned for all of those. But for the meantime, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are, and I'll see you all with my next video. Bye!